In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok with the recent updates. A lot of things have changed in 2024. Let's dive into the app and let me show you certain items that you probably didn't pay attention to. So first thing, I want to say that you don't need to have a specific skill in 2024 to be able to make it. I see that there is a new trend on TikTok. Now people are simply sharing their experience. So essentially, you can just start a brand new page in which you will share your experience on the daily life encounters. For example, I had lunch there, I had breakfast there, I joined this course, I did this program, I sign up for this group of people, I start running, I start experimenting this. So all we gotta do for you, this is a brand new trend. I've seen 3 or 4 different accounts in which are simply bombarding. This is how Alex Hermosi started. If you go all the way up to the top and you see his most popular videos are the one who actually were from the beginning. If you click popular, right, look at his videos. These are videos that are very old. Just look at how he looks like, right? So these are the videos that he was talking from his own personal experience, how he encounter business obstacles in personal life, how he actually deal with them. So sharing personal experience is obviously one of the biggest trends. And do you see how far he went? He was having maybe 40-50,000 followers when I watched this video, and this video was like live, was like just published, just imagine. And fast forward, we are what, 1.5 years after that, he's already seeing almost 800,000 followers. And it's not only him. Just think about what Andrew Tate did, right? He was sharing personal experience. He was sharing experience about traveling with a commercial plane. He was sharing experience about being here, being there. What is it like to become a professional kickbox champion? What was the experience being in Big Brother, right? So all these personal experiences are much more valuable. Personal experience, I believe, are the one that actually replaced the paid courses for doing this or doing that. Now people sharing their life expectancy, right? They're saying that, I tried these businesses and I failed. I was this, I was that, and this is what actually made me stronger. And people got hyped, people got motivated. And this is my advice for you guys. If you really stumble upon and you cannot find any particular skill, you don't have some nice, interesting, job at the moment, you don't have a business that you're working on, you don't have some crazy hobby or stories to tell, just be open and share your experience. People value much more experience at this point, because experience, it's essentially the lessons that you have learned based on the real life, right? This is no science fiction. So go ahead and start publishing on the daily basis. My advice is 1 to 3 pieces of content, and just be honest. People will appreciate that. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can come up with viral TikTok ideas to make videos from, okay? And the secret of success is that you don't go on TikTok to look for these ideas. You are going on Pinterest. We're going on Pinterest, and then you go on the lower left corner. You're going to see there is a small magnifying glass. And then you go on the search bar, and you're gonna type TikTok video ideas, okay? And this is where you're going to find everything that you want to be focusing on. If you look at the top, you have the small categories, right, for different niches where you can gain inspiration, right? Also, you can scroll down and look for a particular type of content that is similar to what you really want to do, right? There are people who are doing a lifestyle videos. There are people who are doing like educational videos, people who are doing review videos, and all these are ideas for you. And you can see that some of the videos actually get much more engagement. This video on the left has 400 likes, versus some other videos they don't have any, but it still can generate a good ideas over here, and see what people like and what people simply don't interact with. This is the pro tip because everyone else will be looking for TikTok ideas on TikTok. You're gonna be looking for TikTok ideas on Pinterest. This is what gonna give you this leverage. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can promote your videos on TikTok by simply using the built-in function in the app itself. This is something very few people know about, and this is how you can potentially get viral. Okay, let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you where this actually is hidden. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you have the landing page open of your account, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the 3 straight lines. Then click on Creator Tools, the first option. So now guys, if you scroll down to the section that is called More Tools, there is a second option which is like a small fire, like a Kindle icon. You want to click on it. When you click Promote, you are able to essentially select any of your videos, and you'll be getting at least 1,000, 2,000 or 11,000 or 24,000 views by simply paying for it. Okay, me personally, I'm getting a coupon from the app. I'm not sure you guys are going to get it. It depends, I don't know, of the location probably, or depends of the usage or whatever. But you want to make sure that you go ahead and check out, and this is where you're going to select. You see product selection. You can simply select switch video, and you can scroll through your content and pick which video you want to promote. But essentially this is it. I don't know, is it worth it just in the money wise? I don't know, 1,000 views, will 1,000 views get you the $5 back or $6 back? I don't know guys, depending of the content. But this is how you promote videos on TikTok. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok analytics on your videos, so you understand what works and what doesn't. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to go on your profile and I want you to pick a video that is the most common content that you publish on your page. Okay, let's take this video for example over here. There are two options to access it. First of all, you can click over here on the lower right side where it says more insights, or you can click on the three dots over here and then click analytics on the third option over here. Let's click analytics and let's take a look what this video is telling us. First of all, you're going to look at the performance. The performance section simply shows you how many plays this video got, right? How many likes, how many comments, how many shares, how many saves. The total playtime, this is sum up of the whole 307 views that they have. The total playtime is over 1 hour. How much people on average watched the video when they actually click 15.8 seconds, right? Watched full video. Only 20% of these 307 people actually watched this video. 20%. Not so bad if you're asking me. The next section will show you how many followers did you actually gain by posting this video. In our case, there is 0 followers. And this is comparable versus the last day to the very first day you published the video. Then you will see the chart or the graph how the videos were actually distributed since you published the video. As you can see over here, there isn't a gradual uptrend or downtrend. You simply had a major bump when the video was published, 300 views in a matter of 2 days, and that was it. But even though TikTok will always compare your most recent update to the video that you're currently analyzing. So if you can see over here, according to TikTok analytics, this video still gets 34 more views than usual. So this video still does a very good job. The next section over here is showing you the retention, where people are clicking off the video. When you actually analyze and pay very close attention, you could figure it out that people are probably expecting to see something, and when you look at the graph and see that very, very little people at the end, only 17% are still watching, versus 85% at the opening, at the first second of the video. So the retention graph represents how people are happy or sad of what they actually find out, because everyone comes with particular expectations. The last option over here is again the traffic source, where are your viewers found the video, watched the video, and how the video actually was promoted or served or represented on the platform. As you can see, 97.7% comes from the For You page. This is recommendations. This is what YouTube essentially recommends people to watch on their feed, people who are not following me. The second part over here of the analytics is actually more interesting. This is in-depth breakdown of the followers, the gender of the followers, the amount of followers that actually interact with. You will see the gender here, majority of which are male, only 8% female. As you can see, we have a full breakdown of the ages of the followers or the viewers of this particular video. We also have locations, top locations, and we also have a city breakdown, right? We have by cities, people, where they're watching and where they're interacting with. But essentially, guys, you want to make sure you analyze the data and you want to make sure that you're taking notes. I understand this is a lot of information, but if you take notes on a piece of paper on the site, you will be able to analyze, and we will be able to fix a lot of the issues, like we saw with the whole retention, with the amount of viewers that are watching to the at least half of the video, if not to the end of the video. And you also want to make sure that people are really satisfied and engaged and have really fun time spending here on your page. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to promote your videos, your pictures, and your products by simply using the promo feature on the TikTok app. Let's launch a TikTok app. Click on the lower right corner first, guys. Then you want to click on the upper right and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. When you're over here, guys, I want you to come over here on the second menu, which is relation towards making money and monetization. So the second menu over here, More Tools, gives you the option to promote. If you click on Promote, you will see how everything actually works. So this is, first of all, part of your videos will appear over here. So you can switch and you can pick another video to promote from your current published videos, right? The second thing that you want to pay attention to is that there are different promotional pack. You're getting different things if you pay different money, which I believe is not new. So the main idea over here is that if you want to get a 1000 plus views, it will cost you $5.83. If you want to get over here, as you can see, plus 2000 views, it will cost you around $12. Plus 6000 views, it will cost you $35. And 24,000 views, it will cost you $139. Again, very important thing over here is that first time when you use a TikTok is giving you a coupon over here. As you can see, I have a coupon which downsized the actual cost with $3.50. What I see over here is that it looks like it is very expensive to run ads. This 1000 views you could probably get with Instagram or Facebook ads. Probably you can do the same thing with Twitter ads for a fraction of the cost. Probably it will cost you around $2, $2.50, maybe $3 max to get this. Okay, so there is a upscale over here, and I don't see a reason for you why you would promote a video which does not include a product, right? It has to be a sales pitch. It cannot be simply, going out for followers or viewers. The next section over here is your dashboard. This is where you're gonna see the conversion. You will be able to, compute the cost per acquisition, how much it costs you to generate a new follower or to generate a new views, because you saw this is an approximate amount they give you. They don't say that this is the flat amount of views you're going to get. Also, you're going to get how many likes, how many shares. Then you can compare your natural organic performance versus the paid one. Okay, and the last section over here, it's mine. This is essentially where you will be able to see what coupons are available for you to use given by TikTok, and then you will be able to see the reward center, which over here they will show you, okay, you spent $1,000, we gave you $100 worth of coupons, you save $100, something like this, nothing crazy. And then you have another functions over here. For example, if you want to pay for someone else's promotion, right, uh, or you want to create a separate department in your business, you want to hire someone to do all this, you want simply to add him, and you want to add a manager, someone who will be managing all this and who will be creating the ads. And it's like that, it's like you're hiring someone to manage your uh, Instagram page, or manage your Twitter account, or manage your overall social media. Again, guys, I don't think it's too crazy. Probably if you have a TikTok shop, and if you want to promote and run TikTok ads, maybe you will have a better output. Sure, people are looking for different results, but in my opinion, you will get the best money for your buck if you probably try to scale down on particular niche rather than going for the randomness. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.
How to make money on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and make money on TikTok, and you can make it through current TikTok's Creator Fund, because TikTok's Creator Fund is the current way that is the proper and legal way, if that makes sense, to make money for ourselves, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and make money in a more bulked way, then I would suggest you get into Creativity Program Beta. It's a new beta that TikTok has introduced, and the eligibility is only you need to be a US based account, at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100K views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join is just go to your settings, go to Creator Tools. You're going to click on Creator Fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to Creativity Program Beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the Creator Fund. You will stay in Creativity Program Beta. And what that does is Creativity Program Beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your Creator Fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok. How to join TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join TikTok's Creativity Program Beta in the easiest way possible. So to do this, basically, you're going to come over to tiktok.com/creators, and over there, you're going to see the Creativity Program Beta. Now, Creativity Program Beta is obviously a program that they created, which is a tool. So you're going to be able to collect rewards as you create and publish longer video content, okay? So it's a good way to have better rewards for TikTok. Now, the eligibility is you have to be in the United States. Any external United States account will not work. At least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join it is you're going to open up your TikTok menu button and then go into your settings, and obviously from there into the creator tools and then creator fund. And then when you click on switch, it's going to switch you to the Creativity Program Beta, but you cannot switch back to Creator Fund. Okay, you're going to stay in Creativity Program Beta, so keep idea of that. So yeah, basically once you have done that, you can also scan this QR code off of their website to get into this. So just maximize your attention, expand your growth by the Creativity Program. You can earn up to 20 times more that you got on Creator Fund. Obviously, you can film up to 10 minutes of content, upload videos up to 30 minutes long, easily edit them in the TikTok app, etc. And it's pretty incredible. Now, obviously, the rewards are calculated over 1,000 qualified views. So yeah, that's how you're going to join the TikTok Creativity Program, TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly generate TikTok ads for yourself using Shopify dropshipping in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So basically, when it comes to working with TikTok ads, let me show you how we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details and in-depth features of this. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go into ad apps. Once we go into ad apps, we're going to come to Shopify App Store. And while we do that, You're also going to want to come here and write TikTok for ads, and you're going to get TikTok for business. So you're going to go ahead and sign up with TikTok business as well. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to show you the whole sign up procedure, but you're going to sign up with the TikTok for business account. And once you do that, you're going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to write TikTok. And once you write TikTok, you're going to basically download TikTok over here. So basically, what's going to happen is once you've created your TikTok for business account, you're going to generate your ads in your TikTok for business. And then you're going to connect your TikTok for business account with your Shopify over here and then start importing your ads into your Shopify. And that is how you are going to go ahead and do TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. How to make money on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and make money on TikTok, and you can make it through current TikTok's Creator Fund, because TikTok's Creator Fund is the current way that is the proper and legal way, if that makes sense, to make money for ourselves, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and make money in a more bulked way, then I would suggest you get into Creativity Program Beta. It's a new beta that TikTok has introduced, and the eligibility is only you need to be a US-based account, at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100K views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join is just go to your settings, go to Creator Tools. You're going to click on Creator Fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to Creativity Program Beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the Creator Fund. You will stay in Creativity Program Beta. And what that does is Creativity Program Beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your Creator Fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok.
Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a pro way of using TikTok for beginners. Very simple, very easy. I'm gonna explain to you how to get monetized, what are the ways that you can get monetized, how to publish content, how to find what is currently trending, what hashtags, and essentially how to structure your post on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app and jump in. First thing, when you launch the TikTok app after you created your own account, let's presume you don't have any followers and you don't follow anyone. So essentially, what will be the main source of information will be the first page over here, the home, if you focus on the lower side of the screen. So at the home, you usually going to see only content that you see for the first time, creators that you see for the first time, people that you haven't follow, you haven't watched, you haven't liked or comment on their content. As well, in between you will find a lot of advertisements. If you can see you see, this is every fourth or fifth swipe will be an ad, which is kind of usual, kind of normal. If you go on the top side of the menu, you will see that there is an option to switch from For You page towards the shop. This is a new section where essentially people are selling a lot of items. Sometimes these items are sold by the brands itself, sometimes are sold by creators from the influencers itself. This is why for a lot of the influencers now it's much easier to set up a store like this, right over here, engaging and interacting with their own viewers, doing live streams, and they might sell a lot of stuff. The next section will be what you're currently following. This might be empty for you, but this is where you're gonna see the feed from your current following list. This is where people you follow, you're interested. You can set this to be your default launching feed, meaning when you launch the app, instead of you seeing random people, you can set to see your only following list. The last option over here is STEM. This is default on each and every TikTok, no matter what kind of settings do you have. This is essentially science, technology, engineering, and math. This is educational feed. Very good. I find it very, very interesting. Sometimes when you got extremely exhausted from the regular, trending sounds, trending topics, all over again, different people making the same video, well, simply you can come over here on Steam, right, and essentially see what the heck is going on, what you can learn about the world and how the world works. The next section over here, you will see like a small TV icon. It's live. When you click on live, you will find everyone who is currently live streaming, right? People doing boat fishing. It's like a live TV, right? You're seeing what people are interacting or how they're actually engaging. Where are they at the moment? It's kind of cool. I don't spend so much time on it, but sometimes you might find some interesting profession that you ever wonder how it works. To exit the live, all you gotta do to click on the X on the top right corner. Now, if we focus back down again on the lower menu, the second option will be friends. When you click on friends, this will be people that are either added from your Facebook list or your contact list on your phone, because TikTok will ask you, are you willing to give them permission to add people from your contact list? Or this will be people that TikTok presumes or speculates that you might know from somewhere. I don't know how they decide that you might know them or you might not know them, but this is essentially how it works. Also here you will find people that already followed you. As you can see, I have a bunch of people who followed me over here, and I didn't follow them back, and this is why TikTok is hanging around, and TikTok is trying to essentially, push me to follow them back. The next option will be the plus sign. This is essentially where you're creating a new post. When you click at the plus sign, well, you have plenty of options. You can simply select anything that you want to upload. Let's pick this random white page. Right on the right side, you have a small menu where you can change. You can input text. You can, for example, make the text larger. You can make the text smaller. When you're done, you hit done. Then, for example, you can go down and include different stickers. You can mention someone. Let's say, for example, we want to mention Gary V over here, right? Next option as well, you can include over here, you have this like a filter, like a vintage vibe GIFs layers that are on top of your original creation. I think it might be cool, especially if you have like into like a vintage or video editing, like a content or viewers. Then you have a small arrow that actually extends the menu and gives you a lot more options. So essentially you can include a voiceover explaining or commenting or reacting on other people's content. And the last option will be to save the video. Some people do that. Some people essentially edit the video, then save the video, and then go out and publish the video elsewhere. Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, whatever. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of this. When you finish with editing, click next. And this is where you input your metadata. You input your title, 2-3 sentences maximum explaining what is the video about. I would say 3 to 5 hashtags as well. Then you are able to include the location, and if you scroll down, you're able actually to save the video as a draft instead of publishing it. On the lower left corner you will see draft button. You click on draft button and you save the video as a draft, and you can come back. Let me show you. When you click drafts, right, and then we click on the lower right corner with your profile icon, then when you go back to your profile, you will see that the draft will appear over here. And when you click on draft, you're able to do two things, right? First option would be to just post it, right? Click on it once and then click next and click post. Very easy. But let's say you didn't want to do that, right? Let's say you change your mind, you want to delete it. How are you going to go about it? You have to go on the top right corner, click select, then select on the post, and then you click delete on the lower middle side of the screen. This is how simple it is. Well guys, I think this is the basics. We covered the basics. I hope you guys find a lot of new things and you're gonna use the platform much better. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. After the recent updates, things have changed a little. There's many new things that you should pay attention to. Let's jump into the TikTok app and let me show you. The first thing I want to show you, stop losing your time trying to find a new trend or the new system to make money on the feed, okay? All you gotta do is to go ahead and click on the upper left corner. Do you see the live icon button, okay? Click on live, and now this is where the magic happens, okay? Now you will be able to essentially see what people are actually making money out of. So there is two ways to approach the live streams. First of all, it's either people who are selling physical products, like as you can see over here, or there are people who are simply selling content, selling courses, selling programs, educational. You might be, gym coach. You might be a chef. You might be, motivational speaker, guru, psyche. In this particular example over here, I see this guy almost every single day. I'm not following the guy. I'm not into coins. I'm not into anything. But the reason that every single day I got this live stream recommended on my feed is simply mind blowing. As you can see, they're having 46,000 likes on this particular live stream so far. And the guy obviously is selling stuff. The guy obviously is passionate and is doing his business. So don't forget that you can live stream anywhere you are as long as you are the business owner, right? If you're an employee, most likely you're not going to be able to do it. But if you're the business owner, you can live stream your products, you can live stream your services, you can resell stuff. The other day I saw a guy who was simply reselling his used clothes. He put them on the hanger, he put them on the closet, and then he was just showing from the actual wardrobe one by one the items, and people were buying it. See, somebody else is selling other stuff over here, like pills and I don't know. The main point is, you see this guy probably is a driver, right? And he just, chilling with people. He's live streaming and people probably give him a tip, give him, rewards. They're chilling with him. Essentially, this is the way to make the real money over here, to be as, real as possible, and to be more open and to show people what you actually do. Like I said, some people are making money here just from contributions from the viewers, just from getting tips. It's not about, selling products always. This guy over here is selling products. So this guy over here is probably selling this handmade, wooden stuff. It's all about coming up with whatever ideas or passion you have, and you just pop up over here and start talking about it, right? It's very easy to talk about something that you know and that you're good at. This is how you're gonna make the most money, and you're gonna grow very, very fast on TikTok. Don't lose your time on feed. Don't lose your time trying to, catch up the recent trend, or like these dances, or like trending sounds. It's simply losing your time. This is the way to grow and make a lot of money. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe, and of course, come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can make a lot of money on TikTok, and I'm not talking about the genuine creativity program beta or starting a shop or dropshipping. Okay, let me show you. The main scoop over here is that when you go on your actual live stream, okay, you will see that a lot of people are actually selling a lot of items, and I'm not talking about some fancy jewelry, watches, whatever. Look at these people. Anyone from whatever business you have, you can sell items as long as you can ship, right? If you're doing services, sure, you cannot, right? If you're doing haircuts or massages or spa or whatever, you cannot do that, but you can attract a lot of people coming to your place, right? Just look at over here. I want you to go on the top left corner. When you launch the app, there's a small box, it says live. When you click on live, you will see a lot of people. Look at this guy over here. Just being live, you see how many rewards he got. Some people calculate over here that, when you go and try to see the requirements and how much estimate you can make just doing live streams. On my personal account over here, TikTok estimated I could make over $100,000 a month just from live streaming. And this is my cut. Remember, TikTok is taking his cut, you're taking your cut, okay, everything is arranged. So the main point over here is that you want to make sure that you're utilizing the live. And utilizing the live as it is. Whatever you have in front of you, you can leverage. You saw people in the grocery store, they're selling items online. Just think about whatever you are. Let's say, for example, you have like a vintage stuff, right? You have any kind of stuff in the store. Paintings, cutlery, clothes, some furniture here and there. And if you're able to ship any of these items, you can sell them online. Just think about how fast all these people who usually, sell on Amazon, on eBay, reselling items, flipping Poshmark, you can simply go over here, you can go online and just show your items on the hangers. Earlier I saw a guy who had like 50 jackets, everything is pre-owned condition on hangers, and he's just showing the jackets one by one, and he was selling stuff. Look at this guy. He's selling coins. You can essentially sell any kind of items over here, guys, as long as you show up yourself. And the best part, In some of these cases, like this guy, you don't have to show yourself. You can stay behind the camera and just show the products. Show the product. People say, show me this on the left. You show this on the left, this product. You rotate it, you show 360-degree views. People like it, buy it, you ship it tomorrow. Boom, easy. Very, very easy. You don't have to put a 1 million SEO description with keywords. You don't have to pay for listings that you saw on Etsy or whatever, right? Everything is very, very easy to execute on, as long as you have the physical product that you can actually ship. Or some people might be able to sell some courses online, some coaching here. If you spend time every day 1 hour with the community, people will know you, people will spend time with you, we used to hang out with you, right? You essentially might be able to sell digital products as well. But don't sleep on live stream on TikTok, guys. This is the huge potential over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money on TikTok this year. There are big changes over here and I want to make sure that you know since the beginning of this year. Don't wait until it's already summer and a lot of people already know about this. Let me launch the TikTok app and let me show you where the whole money have been made so far. So first thing first, don't lose your time on brand deals, sponsorships, TikTok shop and all this stuff, okay? When you're here on your feed, go ahead and click on the upper left corner. Click on the live button, okay? When you're over here on the live button, you will see how people are making a bank. People making a lot of money over here, guys. So there are a couple of ways to do it. First of all, you can live stream and sell items that you have on your home. Nobody said that you have to buy or new items or resell new items. People could sell collectibles like this gentleman over here selling coins. Every single day I see this guy on my feed. And as you can see, I'm not following the guy, okay? I'm not. But I kept get recommended simply because there is a bunch of people on his live stream. People not only buying, there are people who are just supporting him, sending him tips. He's making probably a lot of money. See, there is another guy over here with coins as well. There are people who are just hanging around, guys. As you can see over here, somebody is just decorating their room and just still getting a lot of tips. Just 5,200 likes so far. And you're telling me that 0.1% will not send a tip to the girl or to the person who is making it? Come on, guys, don't be joking. Just look at all the bonuses over here, all the tips, all the diamonds, right? Somebody else is selling something online right here. Do you see that? The guy is selling his own product about something about the hair. I don't know what is it. Okay, somebody else is playing video games online. Okay, these people are not losing their time trying to get a brand deal. They're not losing their time making TikTok videos, AI generated content. They just stay at home, do whatever they're gonna do anyway, but they just live stream it. Essentially, you're hanging out with new friends from your home without going out and hanging out with new people. Okay, this is what the best is. So this guy is teaching something else, how to make 100K in trucking business. You see, this is the true value over here. 14,000 likes on this video, guys, on this live stream. So you understand how this works, okay? Don't lose your time. Learn how to live stream. Get the 1,000 followers. If not, watch my videos how to go live without 1,000 followers here on the channel, and then let's make a whole lot of money in 2024. For more videos like this, guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the TikTok playback speed on videos on TikTok. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. Then let's take the first video that we're gonna get recommended for. You hold your finger in the middle of the screen until you have this menu pop up. Then you can scroll left and right depending on the version that you have. Then you have this option over here, playback speed. Now we can actually click on 0.5, so this will make the video much slower. As you can see, things are moving very, very slowly. Then I hold again and then click on the playback speed. Remember, to launch this menu, you have to press in the middle of the screen while the video is playing. Then you're gonna get this menu. Let's try the other side of the equation. Let's press the double X speed. Now we're looking. Things are moving very, very fast. Things are simply elevating, and you can probably watch much faster as long as you don't have to listen, I presume. Again, how are we gonna stop this? Put your finger in the middle of the screen and hold it until you see this actual menu pop out. Let's put it back to normal. And essentially that's it, guys. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok search history. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the profile icon. When you're on your profile, you're going to head to the top right corner and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on activity center. When you're on activity center, you will find your search history, the third option. Click on it. Now you can actually click and delete, for example, select, and we can delete the first search query. This is how you can go about it. If you want to delete multiple, if not all of your search queries on TikTok, this is how we're gonna go about it. You click on the top right corner, you click select, okay? Then I want you to look at the lower left corner. There is a special menu that just pop out, right? You click on select all search history. And then you're gonna click delete all. You see what this is going to do? Delete all search queries in the past 180 days. This is very, very good, guys. You might see that this is essentially you have a 6-month period in which everything that you search simply will be deleted. And I gotta mention that this action cannot be undone. When you click it, like I'm gonna do, done. Your search history on TikTok has been deleted. You're welcome, guys. This is how simple it is to clean and delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to head to the feed of TikTok. Let's find somebody that you want to block. Let's say we want to block this particular page over here. What you want to do, you want to head to the top right corner where you see the small arrow, okay? You click on the arrow, and here you can find an option which is on the third row, the second menu, which will be block. If you click block, this is what is going to happen with this account. This will not be able to send you messages, to see your photos, to see your posts. This does not include extended scenarios like the multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, groups chats, and both participating. They will not be notified that you blocked them. This is very important. A lot of people are looking for options to block someone without them being notified. So for example, if you're not friends, right, if you didn't hit follow and follow back prior, if this person, not look back and try to find you and see that, they cannot find you because you blocked them, this is not going to be the case. They're not going to be able to see your posts, your photos, and if you really want to hide yourself, your content, and your profile from them, you don't want to be together, or you don't want to be part of the multi-live streams because they're going to see you in the multi-live streams according to TikTok. Also, you don't want to be part of duets that is posted by others. You can create your own duet with somebody else and you're going to publish the duet, and the person you blocked, they're not going to see it because it's published by you. Don't participate in duets that is going to be hosted and published by a third-party account because you're going to be seen. This is how to block someone on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. You want to head to the top right corner where you see the gear icon on your profile. Then slowly but steadily you want to scroll all the way down to the section preferences. The last option in the section preferences is essentially dark mode. When you click on it, you will have a couple of options. First of all, you have the option to turn it on, and you have the option to turn it off. The third option over here is that the Facebook will match the theme that you currently have on your device. In my case, this is iPhone. So if I click the theme, I have a dark mode on my phone generally. So this is what the Facebook app will do. Will simply match the theme on your phone. So you will not have an issue, right, moving from dark theme on your device to bright theme here on the Facebook app. I advise you to do the same thing on each and every app. There is a setting, similar one on Instagram. You can do the same thing when you go and use X, the Twitter, and each and every app will simply have a very smooth transition because they all gonna have the same user experience, and you're not gonna get shocked, especially if you're in the dark, late at night on the streets, right? You're moving from dark user experience on your device, and then you open the app and everything is bright and everything is like kind of irritating for the eyes. So this is what I'm advising you guys, and vice versa. If you have a bright version on your device, bright theme, right, over here, you probably want to make sure that each and every theme on the apps that you're using is matching the theme on your phone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. Simple and easy. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then you want to click on the top right corner on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Activity Center. When you're at Activity Center, you want to click on Search History. As you can see over here, we haven't searched anything. Let me show you how we can fix this. For example, let's say iPhone 15 Pro, okay? We just searched for something. Now let's go back. Three straight lines, settings and privacy. You want to click on Activity Center. You want to click on Search History. Boom! There you have it, iPhone 15 Pro. How are you going to delete your search history? You want to click on the top right corner and you want to click Select. Then you want to tap on this individual search query that we just created. If you had a multiple different search queries, you will see on the lower left corner there is an option that is called Select All Search History. Then you want to click Delete All. This is going to delete 180 days worth of search history, search queries. And this is how you delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find videos that you have liked before on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app. I want you to go on your profile, hit the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then when you're at your own profile, I want you to focus on the settings above your images, above your content. So the first section, of course, will be the filter function, filtering the latest post to the most popular one. The second option will be the stories that you saved and they're hidden. The third option will be the videos that you reposted. The fourth option will be sounds, effects, and videos that you actually saved. And guess what? The last option over here will be all the videos that you have liked, okay? This is how you're going to find, you can scroll down and you can find all the videos that you have liked previously. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share link from your profile on TikTok so you can send it to other people so they can actually follow you. So there are two ways to do it. Let me show you the first one. Let's launch a TikTok app. Go ahead and click on the lower right. Then go ahead and click on the upper right as well, on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on the settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to focus on the fourth option over here, which is share profile. When you click share profile, you will be able to copy the link from your account and then paste the link on Messenger or send the link straight through the Messenger. When you click on it, you will have an option with a special bar underneath, and you will have all the apps that you currently have: Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. So you will be able to just send the link right from one click when you click share over here. So this is very direct way. If you really want to copy just the link, not to send the link as a message, all you gotta do is to come on your profile, like over here, right? And you will see that under your profile picture, you will have a share profile button. When you click share profile button, well, you will have three options. You have the QR code, which is someone just met on the street. They can simply, read the QR code by opening the iPhone camera, right? So they can find you right away if they have the app. The second option that they give you over here is just to copy the plain link. And the third option is to share the profile as a message. I showed you the third one, to send it as a message, to share it as a message. So these two are coming only if you click on your profile. So if you just want to send just the link, all you gotta do is to come over here on your profile and click share profile. If you want to send it as a message, it probably will be easier just to go on the previous function like I showed you and send direct message with your actual profile. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock accounts on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. You don't have to remember who you blocked. The way I'm gonna show you, it's simply mind-blowing. Let's dive in. So first thing you want to do is launching the TikTok app as usual. Then click on the lower right corner where is your profile. Then all you gotta do is to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner, okay? Then you want to click on settings and privacy. The best of all is that we're almost done. Next step is to click on privacy. And this is where the magic happens. I want you to slowly scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The last option is blocked accounts. Well, there we have it. There's a bunch of accounts that we've blocked previously. Now let's unblock someone over here. Click on block, and the account was just unblocked. This is how simple it is actually to block again and unblock people, just finding this list with blocked accounts. You don't have to remember who previously blocked and what was the handle, the account. Or you just come over here, find all the accounts that previously were blocked from you, and you decide who to be freed. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see people that you have blocked previously. You maybe want to look to unblock some of these people, so I'm going to show you where is the list of people you blocked. Let's launch the TikTok app first. As usual, click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then you want to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Okay. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now, pay very close attention over here, guys. I want you to pick up the second option, which is privacy. And I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom where you see an option that is called blocked accounts. When you click on it, you will find a list of people that you previously blocked. And now you have the magic power to unblock them if you really want to do that. But essentially, guys, this is how you could see all the people that you previously blocked at one place. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. After the recent updates, guys, there are a few differences. Let me show you. Let's launch the TikTok app. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and hit the profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then select settings and privacy. Now I want you to click on account. When you're at account, the last option that you will see over here will be deactivate or delete your account. When you click on that, you will have two options: to delete your account immediately, and you will have 30 days grace period in which you have the availability to come back and recover your account by simply logging in. If you click deactivate account, well, simply your account will not be available for the public. Your content will not be available for the public, but the whole information will be saved up in your account. This means that you can take a break as much as you want by deactivating your account, and you can come back at any time you want. No issues, no problem with it. But when you click delete, you have 30 days to make your mind, right? If you want to change your mind, you have 30 days. Also, very important note over here, guys, is that if you want to delete your account, you want to make sure that you download your data. You have to make a special request to TikTok, and they will need 2, 3, 4 days maybe to process your information, and then they will give you an option to download the info. So first of all, you have to request information, download your information, and then you can click delete. You cannot click delete and then wait for the information, because the accounts that are scheduled for deletion cannot be used as a source for TikTok to download the data from. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.